So we're going to learn about the quantitative ability part for CUET as declared by the Delhi University for the various Central Universities admissions for their graduation courses. Right. So as they have disclosed the pattern, Anshul, I hope you will be knowing the pattern. In the aptitude portion, the general aptitude they have given to be 75 questions will be there, out of which are supposed to attempt 60. Though the composition of the sections is not clearly given, but we can very safely assume that roughly have close to 50% areas being covered by quantitative ability and reasoning section. So roughly 25% of the exam could be this quantitative ability portion, and we are going to discuss about the same. So without taking much time, let's start with that. So you can try this first question, Anshul, Iti. Just try this first question. Iti Harshvardhan, just try this first question.
You can skip this video if you don't.
I hope you guys are trying. Anshul, Iti, Harshvardhan, Ansh. Do try and solve it and give the answer in the chat box. So how many 3-digit numbers are there for which the product of their digits is more than 2 but less than 6? Okay, just try it. Let's see. Okay. Iti says 15, Anshul says 12. Let's see. Just keep trying, people. I know you have not done aptitude of late, right? But let's see what are the tricks, the techniques we can apply over here. Last 30 seconds for you guys to answer it for the others. People, you all are here to learn, so just keep trying, keep asking if any doubt which creeps in your mind. Okay, people. See how many 3-digit numbers are there for which is given the product is more than 2 but less than 6. So first of all, can you all tell me what are the products we should consider? Product is given to be more than 2 but less than 6. So which are the different products possible of those digits? This I want to answer everyone. अगर प्रोडक्ट 2 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, 6 से छोटा होना चाहिए, वेरी गुड अंशुल. People, product should be 3, 4 and 5. So let me go to the approach. Can I say 3 is a prime number? 5 is a prime number? So people, what is the definition of a prime number? I'll just recall. I know all of you know, but maybe you're not choosing the right words. The prime numbers are those which can only be made by themselves or 1. Which can only and only be made by themselves or 1. Now, so that means 3 can only and only be made by using the digits as 3, 1, 1. Now, people, here you need to apply a little bit of permutation combination. The 3 digits we can write in this manner also and in this manner also. There are 3 ways to write the digits 311. There are 3 possible numbers we can make. 311, 113, 131. Similarly, if I go to 5, exactly the same situation. 115, 151 and 511. 3 numbers for this as well. Now, if I take 4, 4 is not a prime number, people. 4 is not a prime number, but every number can be made by multiplying it with 411, people. So if I take 411 and I want to make the numbers, those can be made by 411, 114 and 141. But because 4 is not a prime number, you can make 4 with the help of 2, 2 and 1 also, people. So people, with 2, 2 and 1, what can you do? You can make as 122, 212 and 221. So people, 3, 3, 3 and 3. The total number of numbers that can be made are 12. Mind it, it is not a tough question. It is just a process-oriented question. Process is also not very long. It just took me 1.5 minutes for you to explain this. And when you are doing it of your own, it can very well be done within a minute, probably only if you get the basic essence of the question that what is being asked. Right? So I hope that is clear. Anshul? Anshul, you get the right answer. Iti, is it clear? Harshita, Ansh, Harshvardhan. Everyone, please keep responding. Yes. Okay, Harshvardhan. Iti, is it clear now after seeing the solution? You have to find those 3-digit numbers, the product of whose digits is more than 2 but less than 7. So we solved the question in the reverse order. Firstly, we found the product, and then we see in how many ways you can make that number, or how many different numbers you can make, and then we sorted out by arrangement. Clear, Iti? People try this next question. Right, people. An increase of 30% in the price of apples enables a man to buy 6 kilogram less for rupees 300. Is it a tough one? People, let's go do this question reverse order. Let me write a solution and see if you can interpret it. What we are supposed to do here, you can find 30% of 300, which is 90 rupees. And you divide it by 6 to get the answer as 15 rupees per kg. You get that, people? People, if the price of anything increases by 30%, so what should happen? If the price of anything increases by 30%, you need to spend 30% extra on that to maintain the same level of expenditure. Now, if the price increases by 30%, people. How much is 330%? 330% happens to be 90. So if the price increases by 30%, you are supposed to spend 90 rupees more on the same. Only then you can buy the same quantity. Take a hypothetical situation that the price increases by 30%. Now, if you keep on buying the same same quantity of apples, you need to spend 300 rupees more, 90 rupees more. But instead of spending 90 rupees more, rather you chose to buy 6 kilograms less. So people, either you need to spend 90 rupees more, or you can buy 6 kilograms less, means 90 rupees is the price of those 6 kilograms of apples. So price per kg happens to be 15 rupees. Clear, guys? Either spend 330%, that is 90 rupees more, or buy 6 kilograms less. अगर किसी भी चीज का प्राइस पीपल 30% से इंक्रीज हो जाता है, तो आपका एक्सपेंडिचर जो उसके ऊपर होगा वो 30% से बढ़ जाएगा. Now how much is 30% of 300? It is 90 rupees. So either you need to spend 90 rupees more, or you can buy 6 kilograms less, means 90 rupees is the price of 6 kilograms of apples. So price per kg is 90 by 6, that is 15 rupees per kg. Okay. How many of you are clear about this, people? Please keep responding so that I get to know you're understanding this. Yes, Anshul, Iti, Harshita. Anshul gets it. That's very good. Yes, Iti, Harshita, Ansh. Okay, that's good, Harshita. Okay, people. Now, next question. Some easy questions. I think this you should all try, and you'll probably be able to do, most of you. Do it, people. Very good, Anshul, Ansh. Let's see. Try, people. Two people have answered, both Ansh and Anshul. Iti, Hashta tried. So people, a very important concept of average is that when the terms are at equal difference, the middle term becomes their average. When the terms are at equal difference, the middle term becomes their average. Now people, 5 consecutive integers are there. If they are consecutive integers, so what does that mean? That simply means that they are bound to have equal difference. So 32 being their middle number, 32 will be their average as well. Just because the average is given to be 32, you can very well assume conversely that 32 will be the average as well as the middle number. Now people, you want to find the largest number. After 32, the next will be 33 and the number after that will be 34. Anshul, Ansh, this is how you did it precisely. अंशुल, अंश ऐसे किया आपने? इति, हर्षिता, समझ में आया अभी? Okay. Now people, let me just make a small change here and let's see if you can answer. People, 5 consecutive integers की बजाय, if I make it 5 consecutive even integers. Very good, Harshita, Iti, Anshul, Ansh. Very good. So the concept learned well. Next is, try this one. Now, this is a typical kind of a question which is one of the favorite of examiners in competitive papers. The perceived value of this question is very high. So let's see how do you guys try it. you're giving answer A, B, C, now people, number A is 0.99 square into 0.99 cube. Can first of all you guys solve it? This will be in totality be what? It will be 0.99 raised to power how much? 568 what? Everyone? Okay. Anshul, Ansh. Others? Iti, Harshita, very good. People, when the bases are same, their powers are added. You all are right. It is 0.99 raised to power 5. And on the other hand, this is 0.99 raised to power 6. Now, people, on the same logic, can I write it? This is 0.99 raised to the power 5. And this is 0.99 raised to the power 5 into 0.99. Why I wrote it separately for you? I wrote it separately for you so that I can cancel 0.99 raised to power 5. People on the left hand side, when you cancel 0.99 raised to the power 5, that obviously means what? That you are left with 1 here and 0.99 is there on the right hand side. So what can you conclude? People, can I say 1 is bigger than 0.99? So what shall be your answer? Answer is number A. Number A is your answer. Clear, everyone? Now, some of you might be thinking, sir, how is that possible that 0.99 raised to power 6 is bigger? 6 is bigger than 5. Let me tell you, people, आप लोग इसका simple example से समझेंगे. Can you all tell me how much is 0.5 का square? Anybody can tell me that? No, Iti? Yes, Anshul, Ansh, it is 0.25. How much is 0.5 का cube? It is 0.125. So people, this simple example I take just to explain you that the more and more powers you are taking, the numbers is keep on becoming smaller and smaller. And that is not a general rule. That is only and only applicable for the numbers between 0 to 1. Let me tell you, this is a previous year question of the DUJAT exam paper, which used to be conducted by Delhi University only. So we intentionally chose that. Now mind it, 0 to 1 numbers एक ऐसा range है, if you keep on going to its higher and higher power in between that, its value will keep on becoming smaller and smaller. So 0.99 raised to power 5 will be bigger than 0.99 raised to the power 6. So अगर आप वो लॉजिक याद रखते हैं, आप बिना सॉल्व किए इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर ऑप्शन 1 नंबर ए दे सकते हैं. But some of you might not be remembering the logic, so which I explained. So I hope that is clear to every one of you. First option is answered, and Harshita gave that right. Only Harshita gave that right, rest all gave the wrong answers. So is it clear, everyone? Anshul, Ansh, Iti? This one, people. Tried. 30, 24. Okay. This question I'm going to ask in detail from you because I'm going to give a very good shortcut for this. Two people gave answer 30, two gave 24. Any one of you can make your mic on and please explain. How did you get it? Because I'm going to give a very good shortcut for this. Harshita, can you explain? Harshita, your answer is correct is what I want to say. Harshita and Anshul, your answers are correct. Huh? Okay, no. Counting the numbers is very tough job. Anshul, can you answer it? You also counted it. Okay, Iti, how did you come to 30? क्या आप आंसर दे सकते हैं इति? No. One more. अंश आपने? अंश. Okay, people, how to go about it? See, let me write the method and see how many of you can understand. The only thing you are supposed to do for this is this. 5 2s are 10, 10 6 are 60. 24 is your answer. If any one of you can see the logic what I did. See, ये सारे ट्रिक्स टेक्निक्स बहुत सिंपल हैं जो हम लोग क्लासेस में कवर करते हैं, आप लोग सीखेंगे सब. But just try to judge it. If any of one of you can. Okay, listen to me, people. People, can I say every second number is divisible by 2? Keep responding so that I understand you all are getting it. Every second number is divisible by 2, people. So that means every second number is divisible by 2 means half of the numbers are divisible by 2. So that means the other half of the numbers are not divisible by 2. And we are interested in those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Now, can I say every fifth number is divisible by 5? Every fifth number is divisible by 5. 1/5 of the numbers are divisible by 5. That means 4/5 of the numbers are not divisible by 5. And we are interested in those numbers which are not divisible by 5. You might think कि सर आपने पहले वो numbers ले लिए जो 2 से divide नहीं होते, फिर आपने वो लिए जो 5 से divide नहीं होते. Mind it, this will work in general also, and this will work across all categories also. That is the beauty of this method, that you simply take 10 6 is 60 and your answer is 20. Clear है सब लोग? ऐसा एक और क्वेश्चन दूं आप लोगों को जल्दी से. So people, the question is how many numbers till 90 are neither divisible by 2 nor by 3. Answer it, people. Let's see, Anshul. Quick, 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 please. Ansh and Anshul, 2 students have answered the question correctly. Very good, Anshul, Harshita, Ansh. Yes, Iti. So people, same logic here. 90 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 into 15. Answer is 15 2s are 30. Right? People, and the beauty of this method is, let me add one more line. Neither divisible by 2, nor by 3, nor by 5. अगर ये भी given होता, I can only give a hint. Our approach can remain same. It is simply, जिस नंबर से आप उसको डिविजिबल नहीं होना चाहते हैं, उसके रेसिप्रोकल को 1 से माइनस करके मल्टीप्लाई करिए. लॉजिक मैंने बता दिया. Every second number is divisible by 2. Half of the numbers are divisible by 2. Half of the numbers are not divisible by 2. So we took those half numbers. Every third number is divisible by 3. 1/3 of the numbers are divisible by 3. 2/3 numbers are not divisible by 3. So we took those 2/3. And now I added 5 also, nor by 5 in this. So let's see. Ansh has already answered it. Very good, Ansh. Ansh, your aptitude is good. If you want to get admission into a good college, school, you can do that. Very good, Harshita. Iti answer निकालिए अभी. Very good, Anshul. इति बस वो एक कंडीशन और ऐड करिए. 30 तो आपके पास पहले ही आया हुआ है. People, every fifth number is divisible by 5. 1/5 numbers are divisible by 5. 4/5 of the numbers are not divisible by 5. So आप इसको into 4 by 5 भी कर देंगे. Answer for the question shall become 24. Harshita, Anshul and Ansha have already found it. Iti, I hope that's clear now. People proceeding further, let me see. I think you all can answer this. Try this question. Very good. Harshita, your answer is pending. Ratio of men to the number of men to the number of women is given to be 5:8. So how many women are there? So people, if the ratios are given to be 5:8 in the favor of men and women, this means if there are 5 men, there are 8 women. So you have to count the number of women first, see that what is being calculated, what is being questioned. What is being questioned is the number of women. Now there are 8 women out of 13. From where this 13 comes, people, the sum of 8 and 5. When you break any number in any specific ratio, whatever you want to calculate is the numerator and sum of those two is the denominator. So you want to find 8 out of 13 people into given total is 65. So the number of women will be 13 fives are and now 8 fives is 40. Have to be 40 women. 40 is your answer. Harshita, is that fine? Rest all 3 have answered it already. People, then try this. It's a very interesting question. Let's see how you guys try it. Iti and Anshul, they both have given 2 different answers. Iti, just check with the other condition given. If you feel any changes in the answers are required. People, daughter's age is reverse of her father's and difference in their ages is more than 10. So the such questions, I am surprised that only 2 people answered it. Out of that, 1 is wrong. People, such questions are best answered by way of options. See, if daughter is 21, father 12, wrong. If daughter is 14, father is 41, their sum is 55, done. 23, 32, you might feel this is also satisfying, but mind it, the difference in father and daughter has to be more than 10. Whereas in 32 and 23, the difference is only 9. So both those options are wrong. So the daughter's age happens to be 14 and father's age happens to be 41. Was it a tough question? Ansh, Harshita? Only usage of options. Iti, you don't check that if daughter is 23, father will be 32. The difference is less than 10 in that case. Ashita, is it clear? Chale people, after that, a very interesting question is another DUJAT question. People, just try it. Question is a little verbose, but it is not tough is what I can say. So let me see. Just try it, people. So people, here, 4 chocolates of type D, 44, 5 chocolates of type C, 40. So 84 rupees have been spent. Now, how many chocolates of type A and type B can I buy so that I use the maximum of rupees 100? People, 84 rupees are already spent, 16 rupees are left with you, and 1 chocolate price is 10 rupees, 1 chocolate price is 5 rupees. So simply the best is you buy 1 chocolate of type A by spending 10 rupees and 1 chocolate of type B by spending 5 rupees. In this manner, you spend 99 rupees. The maximum amount is spent and you have bought the chocolates also. So, answer is this. Ansh gave that right. Iti gave that right. Harshita, you gave that wrong. You cannot buy 3 chocolates of type B because then your spending will become more than 100. Anshul, आपका answer clear now? Now, people, this CUET exam, you all know it's a great chance for the students to enter colleges like SRCC, LSR, Hansraj, Venki, Hindu, and Miranda House. If you have that dream to study it over there, and the best part is that they have given no weightage to the +2 exams this time. The reason being, you all know that it has been online exams in the first sem, wherein the weightage, though they have given to be close to 30-40%, but they don't want to have or give any unfair advantage to any of the students due to whatever circumstances when the first term exams were conducted in their schools. So basically, it's very important that if you want to study in your dream college, you can go about this and you can avail of the early bird offer as well, people, so that you can get the course at a very discounted price. And people, if you want to have the free video career counseling about what to do, what not to do, how to prepare, or any kind of guidance otherwise, you can go for the video counseling, people. The link of the same I have posted in the chat, which is now delivered to every one of you. And for any doubt or queries, you can contact at the number mentioned. There's Sangeeta ma'am will be ready to help you at any time. So you can contact in the daytime, evening, whenever you wish to. So people, any doubt, query regarding the courses, regarding the preparation, if you have in mind, you can please ask about the same. And what I want to tell you otherwise is that people, why Hitbullseye? The simple and the straight answer is that we are the #1 test portal as ranked by Alexa. Alexa has given us the #1 portal in terms of the test conducting in India. And more importantly, we are the champions with best class +2 results among the students, talking about the various courses, be it CLAT, IPM, and the other ones. The discipline and the systematic study and the resources you get over here, they are unmatchable, and the best faculty of India you get over here. And people, a lot of students with under All India rank 100 you'll find here from our online classroom programs. 200 plus BBA and law results we make every year, more than 300 BAT and PI registrations we get, and one-to-one faculty interaction. People, students feel the comfort when they interact with faculties directly, because the way I'm taking the session, the same way our sessions are conducted, and regularly the doubt sessions are being held for the students who have doubts or the students who want to have better preparation tips. People, our website hitbullseye.com has more than 2 crore plus hits per annum. It's trusted by every second management and law aspirant in 2021. And the Big Bull counseling done by industry experts is everyone which looks forward to. And the 2021 results in IPMAT, IR, CLAT, AILET, NPET, and DU JATIL the last year have been phenomenal. People, what to do know now at present you should be doing, you should attempt mock test question papers firstly to examine your level at the first stage. Then you start to learn basics from scratch through our live classes and solving pre-assessment modules of every section, and then doing some sectional analysis so that you work best as per the section you are strong or you're weak at. And then shifting to, it's very important to understand that shifting to online classes has been really very, very beneficial. It saves a lot of your time and energy if you are a sincere student. So these are a few of the result students, the people who clear the exams in 2020 and 2021. And let the legacy continue. This is a result for IIM Indore and other major undergrad exams people. Next, it could be your photograph. So if you are sincere enough, you have made up your mind that you want to go for the preparation and study at one of the dream colleges, you can do so, people. So any doubt or query if you have in mind, people, you can please ask. I'm all ears to you. So we solved some 8-10 questions. I hope they have been really helpful to you and you all learned some shortcuts and fundas. Any doubt or any guidance any one of you needs? Ansh Agarwal. Guys, you can make your mic on the last 1 or 2 minutes. You'll be having sufficient more than 20 full-length tests and more than 100 chapter-wise or area-wise tests you'll be given. And it will be side by side along with the classes. Okay. Anshul, you have any doubt in mind? Ashita, you have any doubt in your mind regarding the classes or guidance or anything like that? Yes, Anshul, you'll have a lot of study material. I told you, you'll have more than 100 chapter-wise tests. You'll have more than 100 concept videos. And you will have around 30 full-length tests, plus some domain-wise tests also. Depends upon which domain you want to specialize in, which domain exams you want to take. Yes, Iti, go ahead. Iti, you can make your mic on, no problem. Deleted portions of class 12. No, they will not be there because they are not going to ask it. If it has, those have been deleted, they are not going to ask that in the domain specific test as well. Why those should they be asking it? So people, any other doubt or query if any one of you has? I'm all ears to you for next 30 seconds or 1 minute. Yeah, but class 12 syllabus, whatever is there in the legal syllabus, if they have deleted it, that no more remains the syllabus of class 12, no? NTA knows that CBSE has also deducted and removed certain portions. Yeah, but the last year, the exams when they have taken place, that was Corona period only, no? And the students who are going to take this time CUET, they are all Corona students only, so they have not studied it. So how can they ask that in the domain? They will not. All right, people, this is it from my side for the day. Then thank you so much. Wishing all of you all the very, very best. Take care of yourself, people. Thank you so much.